everyone, I am Kanika Dalmia, life coach and a healer. Today we are going to talk about a very powerful energy healing modality cord cutting. Sometimes in life, we face an instance which we are not able to overcome. You might have had an heartbreak or a divorce. Though the person is physically not present in your life, still you feel stuck and not able to move on. Or maybe someone has betrayed you or cheated you, but you are not able to forget it and forgive that person. Sometimes we face challenge through a family member only. Now we don't want to separate, but we also want peace. So karmic cord cutting is used to cut the negative bonds we have. We all humans share invisible cords between us. How we are connected to our mother in the womb through a visible physical cord, umbilical cord, and the moment we take birth, that cord has been cut. Similarly, we all humans share energetic cord between us, though invisible but very powerful. Energy of these cords determine what kind of relationship we'll share with that person. Positive energy cords make us feel very happy, safe, comfortable, and at peace around that person. And negative energy cords make us feel irritated, frustrated, anxious, and unhappy around that person. Karmic cord cutting is widely used to cut the toxic bonds we have and attain the ultimate peace and emotional stability. For more such content, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I love you.
Own your story, rewrite your future with Kanika Dalmia.